Hello everyone, I'm back to finish Turok Evolution. Prehistoric animals and creatures have been appeared in the game. So, I'm about to finish it. Here we have Quetzalcoatlus appeared in Turok Evolution. But wait, this doesn't even look like a Quetzalcoatlus. It looks more like a Ornithocyrus or Tropiocnovis. I mean, seriously, why would they give it an Ornithocyrus model and name it Quetzalcoatlus? Well, it says here it is unknown or reason why. Well, I guess somebody has been watching too much Walking with Dinosaurs. I mean, seriously, it looks inaccurate as it is. Alright, moving on. Here we have Stegosaurus. Also appeared in the game. And it kind of looks inaccurate. But except that body in the middle. It looks really weird to me. I don't know. And here we have Tenatosaurus, which I did not know that they were featured in the game, or they have a first appearance. Well, I do remember when I saw the trailer when I was little. I don't know, I may not remember much if I see them in trailer, the video game, when I was younger. And here we have the toucan. I mean, seriously, why? Very early 2000-ish model. I mean, there's a whole lot of games that have 3D models, but this is much worse. It has no feathers or even that. And the feet, and those feet and talons, what even is that? And the turtle. But it kind of resembles an alligator snapping turtle. Yep, you can see them in chapter 1. Too bad they don't make an aggressive animal in the game. Instead, he places it with the harmless creatures. What the heck? And for you people that you may know or may not know that appeared in Turok Evolution, is a Unitetherium. Sorry about that. Someone just scared me with an air horn. So, where was I? Oh yeah. Despite its appearance, it's not related to rhinos. It's found from an extinct group called Dinosauridae. So, yeah. Unitetherium, appeared in Turok Evolution. You know, I'm kind of surprised they added the least not well-known animals in the game. But I'm surprised. And here are some animals that appeared in a Turok Evolution cheats. Type in zoo, you can see all kinds of animals. This is the vulture. It doesn't even look like a vulture. It looks more like a toucan. Ugh. Where's its feet and claws and talons? Instead of as a pointy triangle thing at the bottom. That doesn't even look right. And it's pretty scary and terrifying. And here we have a dragonfly. Nope, it's not Meganera, just a dragonfly. Kind of disappointed. Next. And a butterfly has also appeared in the game, which I did not know of it. And here we have a giant water beetle. No, I'm not. No, I'm not kidding. They did actually had a giant water beetle in the game. Doesn't even look like a water beetle. Looks more like a cockroach. Jeez. And I did not see it in any level or in zoo or zoo cheat codes. I mean, seriously. A giant water beetle? Well, there is a recently discovered fossil of a giant water beetle. But, and here's a beetle. Just a standard beetle. I mean, look at it. Where's its head? And its legs? I mean, what am I even looking at? Looks more like a... I mean, wow. Just, wow. Very early 2000s model. So primitive. Next. And now for cut content, which means that creatures were going to be featured in the game, but only been cut or deleted. Beta versions. Animal from a beta version of a game, or prototype, is the small bat. Ugh. I mean, that looks weird. Looks more like a kite. And a crane that was cut from the game. Looks kind of good, actually. And the Komodo dragon that was gonna appear in the game, but it was cut before the game's released. I mean, kind of disappointed. I mean, I would have liked to see one of them in the game before they were cut or deleted. And here we have Chronosaurus, a pliosaur that was cut from the game for unknown reasons. But I do remember seeing Chronosaurus in a trailer when I was younger. I kind of remember, but I don't remember much. What do you guys think? Have you seen Chronosaurus in the trailer before the game's released? And here we have the large bat, which is just a large bat. Does not have a based on of a prehistoric bat. Well, there are prehistoric bats that are large, like a giant vampire bat. But I don't know. That was also cut from the game. And a salmon. No, not a saber-toothed salmon. Just a standard salmon. Well, next, silly salmon. And a wild boar that was also cut from Turok Evolution, the game. You know, kind of disappointed. Next. And also, for some of you may know or may not know, that have you seen screenshot, a wolf or dire wolf that was going to be featured in the game, but it was replaced with baboon instead. So here's the dire wolf model. Looks good, to be surprising. And here we have the woolly mammoth. Was also cut from the game. Its description is unknown. Look at it. very old and primitive early 2000 model. And here's, last but not least, the woolly rhino that was cut from the game, but only as a concept art. How disappointing. But the concept art for Turok is still around today in Austin, Texas. Well, that's all. That's all we have time for today. Of Turok Evolution, animals that appeared in the game. So, next time, I'll be talking about the Lost World Jurassic Park video game console for the PS. Hold on, let me look it up. PlayStation. Talking about the history of the game and animals that are appeared or cut from the game. So, like, subscribe, hit bell to get notified for new videos, and yeah, post in the comments which video game or movie from a prehistoric animal that it appeared in. Post on in the comments below. So, see you later, guys.